Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve an application of derivative problem. As per the problem, two men start from a point at the same time with same velocity v in two directions that are 45 degrees apart. They get separated at the rate of, we are given four answer choices. We have to choose the correct answer choice. The first step is to draw a diagram for this problem. Let's assume the two men start at point A. They go in directions that are 45 degrees apart. Let's assume one of them goes in the horizontal direction to the right side. The other one goes at an angle of 45 degrees in the counterclockwise direction. Let's assume after time t, one of them reaches point B, and after time t, the other man reaches point C. The angle between these two directions is 45 degrees. Let's assume at time t, the two men are x units apart. That means the distance from B to C is x. We have to find the rate at which the two men are getting separated. That means we have to find the value of dx over dt. We have to analyze triangle ABC to find dx over dt. We are given that both men move with the same velocity v. We can use the distance formula to calculate the distance from A to B and A to C. In time t, the distance from A to B and A to C is equal to speed times time, or v times t. This is the distance from A to B and A to C. The two men move with a constant velocity v, so for this problem v is a constant. We can find the value of dx over dt from equation for x in terms of t. For that, we should analyze this triangle. As you can see, we know the side lengths AB and AC in terms of t, and we know the angle between these two sides. This is the SAS case. We can use cosine law equation to find the value of x in terms of t. Since we know angle A, we should write the length of side BC, the opposite side for the 45-degree angle, on the left side of the cosine law equation. So our equation is x square equals square of length of side AB plus square of length of side AC minus 2 times length of side AB times the length of side AC times cos of 45 degrees. We know length of side AB is VT, length of side AC is VT. Square of Vt is equal to V square T square. Cos 45 degrees is equal to square root of 2 over 2. We can simplify this equation. V square T square plus V square T square is equal to 2V square T square. In the last term, 2 times square root 2 over 2 is equal to just square root 2. So we get square root 2 V square T square. Next, we can apply square root to both sides to change x square to x. Next, we can do common factoring from the terms under the square root. We can factor out v squared t squared from both terms. Square root of v square is equal to v. Square root of t square is equal to t. This is the equation for x in terms of t. As I mentioned earlier, v is a constant in this equation because two men move with a constant velocity v. Now we can find the derivative of this equation with respect to t. On the left side I get dx over dt. On the right side, square root of 2 minus square root 2 times v is a constant. It's the coefficient of the term. As per the constant multiple rule, it will stay as it is. And the derivative of t with respect to t is 1. So dx over dt is equal to square root of 2 minus square root 2 v. This is the rate at which the two men are getting separated. So the answer should be option A. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.